Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install basically I'm not even going to install anything. The only thing that I'm going to be doing is throw on the wig, cut the lace, and we are good to go. I'm really excited. I love working with Luvme Hair Company. By the way, today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company, and I am obsessed with their wigs, you guys. They really sell excellent quality. Okay, like their wigs are out of this world, and I am so excited that we are collaborating with them today. Okay, so guys, today's video is a little bit different. Before we throw on the wig and cut the lace and do all the things, I really wanted to talk to you about the importance of taking care of your natural hair. You guys, taking care of your natural hair is very important, and literally this is how beautiful my natural hair is. Look how neat it is, and I really want to emphasize the fact that the reason why my hair right now is no more like my hair is growing, you know what I mean. My hair looks proper. I think you can see it looks super healthy. The reason being is I wear wigs, and specifically Glueless wigs are life. They are making my life super easy. My hairline is protected. It is even growing. Look at that. Unfortunately, I did not do baby hair, so you would see that, you know what, my hairline is recovering nicely, and I do not have dandruff because I take good care of my natural hair. And I wanted to show you some good products that I use for my natural hair. So I use Organics. Here it is. I use Organics hair shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair. It is so good. It helps with breakage. It helps with dandruff as well. To moisturize my scalp, I use the Black Chick hair food treatment, and this is how it looks. This one, it fits your hair and promotes growth for manageable healthier hair. I also use, this is literally my favorite, you guys. I use the ORS olive oil, the black castor oil for my scalp, my favorite. And lastly, just for shine, you know, this is the silicone. I use the unique silicone serum. I also use this silicone for my wigs. It just helps with shine, and it is really not greasy. So this is it. Okay, so these are all the products that I use for my natural hair, you guys, and let me tell you, my natural hair is looking really healthy. I love my scalp. As you can see, I do not even have a single dandruff. Okay, and I used to have dandruff, you guys. I used to have a lot of dandruff. So guys, as you all know, I'm a wig girl. I've been saying this. I've been a wig girl for a very long time. So the reason why I love wearing wigs as a protective hairstyle is because you can actually change your hairstyle anytime, you know what I mean, without affecting your natural hair. You can wear a curly wig today, tomorrow you can just change and wear a straight wig. Literally, you can wear any wig that you want. So another reason why I am obsessed with wigs is because my hair, my natural hair actually is not exposed to sun, is not exposed to pollution, and especially here in South Africa, we it is winter, so basically my hair is protected from the cold and it does not break anymore. So yeah guys, wearing wigs as a protective hairstyle is good. So yeah guys, let's get straight into today's video. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. Okay, so this is the packaging, and let me show you what I got. They literally gave me a lot of goodies. The first thing I got is this Luvme Hair mirror. It is branded. How gorgeous is that? They also gave me a brush for my baby hair. A Luvme hair scarf, a wig cap, and a Luvme hair booklet with instructions on how to take care of your hair. Now on to the best part of this tutorial, on to the best part of this video, you guys. This is the hair from Luvme Hair. Look at the shine, guys. The shine is out of this world. Look at the way my fingers are actually gliding through the wig. I am so excited, you guys. Yes. And this is, by the way, a 4x4 wig closure, and everything comes bleached. Look at this. Do you see, guys? The lace is bleached, and this is how it looks inside. It has 4 combs. It is neatly done, you guys. Look at that. It has 4 combs, a band, and 2 extra belts. Let me show you properly. Yes, do you see the 2 extra belts? I think y'all can see. So as usual, guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm quickly going to throw on this wig, cut the lace, and we are good to go. All right, so yeah, please do not forget to check the description box for more information. And also, I have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso20. You're going to get yourself 20% off, baby, period. All right, so I'm really excited. Let's throw on this wig.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we
I'm happy. I don't even know what to say, you guys.
getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of.
What is this?
And the doubts,
This is quality, guys. This is quality.
without shame. We own the game.
Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing though? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Literally, the only thing that I did was cut the lace, and look at the hair.
Gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're dynamite.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, 'cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. Here you'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, 'cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright?
Guys, I'm happy. I'm the happiest girl. I am really in love with this wig. I love everything about it. I did not even have to use my silicone serum for shine. The hair is already shiny. I'm happy, you guys. The hair is moving with me. I'm just like, guys, Look at me, look at this girl. I look so cute, you guys. This is literally the best protective hairstyle ever. Okay, there is no need for you to glue down this wig, no gel, nothing was used. The only thing that I did was to cut off the lace, and that's it. The wig was perfect. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the wig, you guys. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information. Please also remember that I have a discount code for you guys. It is Manaso20, and you are going to get 20% off when you purchase any wigs from Luvme Hair Company. Guys, I am really obsessed with this bob. It is giving me life. Look at this, you guys. I'm shocked. No glue, no gel, no spray, nothing. Okay, literally just cut the lace off and you are good to go. Wow, such a perfect wig. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information. Thank you so much to Luvme Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. Until next time, bye guys.